Now let's work with the logical operator in Node. So let's create one more file, name it as 9.js. Here I'll declare some variable and with some value, some default values, and if side1 is equals to side2 and side2 is equal to side3, I'm calling it as the equilateral triangle. So console.log, let's print it, that is equilateral triangle, else not equilateral triangle. So what we have done here is we have used the logical operator AND. It is similar to the traditional C programming language. Logical AND is available, logical OR is available, logical NOT is available. The other operators like less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to are also available as it is. So we can use the knowledge of traditional programming that we already have into the Node.js. Only few differences like triple equal to and not double equal to. These are the additional operators available while performing some arithmetic operations. So we have seen the logical AND. Now let's test it. Go to terminal, node 9.js and see the output. It is equilateral triangle because all the sides are equal. Now again add one more file, name it as 10.js and try to execute one more example using the logical operator. So let's take an example, side 1, side 2. Side 2 is set to something, side 3 is set to something, and now if side 1 is not equal to side 2 and side 2 is not equal to side 3 and side 3 is not equals to side 1, we'll call it as the scalene triangle. So console.log, we can write scalene, else console.log not scalene. This way you can work with the logical operator. You can use it once or you can use multiple times as per the requirement. And it is similar to the C language. So it is not that difficult for a programmer who is migrating from the basic programming into the Node.js. So let's run it. Node 10.js and see the output. It is the scalene. So you can use all the arithmetic operator, relational or comparison operator, and the logical operator from the traditional programming into the Node.js as it is. It is available and you can tweak certain programs using it and test your knowledge whether you are being able to create or recreate those programs or not. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you.